Hello, hello, good evening. Hello, welcome to the Bitcoin live trading. Now I have found here the regular bearish divergence. What does this regular bearish divergence do? Whenever we see the prices are in a bullish trend and make higher highs and higher lows, and when we see at the exact point the RSI creates lower highs and lower lows, just like this. That is called the regular bearish divergence. It means it will give us the opposite trend from this level. If the market has made here a new higher high, but the RSI window telling us RSI has not created any higher high, but it has created lower high. It means it is indicating us to take the sell trend from this level. Now the target could be up to this fair value gap or this order block level. Sometimes it does not fill the complete fair value gap. It returns back because we are looking just 1 minute regular bearish divergence. Now, how could we see, how could we know that this regular bearish divergence would be created? Now you can see here the RSI was making higher highs, but at this point, after the creating this overbought situation happens when the black line moves above this 70 band line. At this point, the RSI has reached up to 88 number, which is very high number. After this reaching up to this 88 position and overbought position, we have to see again buy until and unless it creates any divergence. If the market had to go more to the bullish side, it had to make so many other overbought situations, but here it has created lower lows position. It means from this angle RSI is hinting that market can give a retracement. That's why it has given the sell. And another sell reason here I am showing you, according to the market structure, smart money concepts. Now you can see here the market has broken the previous structure. How the structure is broken? Whenever any candle with the body breaks the previous higher high position, which was this position, and the market reached here and it has broken the previous break of structure. After the completion of the break of structure, market has to give the pullback retracement up to 50 to 61%. Now how could we measure this 50 to 61%? Sometimes it also reaches up to 78%. For that purpose we have a tool here, the Fibonacci retracement tool. This is the Fib retracement tool. Market has started to give the buy from this angle up to this. Now it has come for the retracement and has reached up to 78%. Now this is the final retracement position according to the Fibonacci retracement, but according to the structure level, if the market comes here and does not creates or closes any bearish candle with the body under this level, it can move to upside again to continue this bullish trend. Otherwise it will change its character. Changing the character, we say it George. George means change of character. It means the market was going and making the higher highs and higher lows. Whenever market has to change its direction, its trend, it makes change of character. For that purpose it has to close any bearish candle under this level. That would be the perfect change of character and external change of character. Now you can see clearly the internal change of characters have already market created, but these are internal. We would count the change of character the external, which will be the perfect. After that it can again break this structure level. Breaking the structure levels and slowly and gradually has the hint the trend reversal from buy to sell, but here it is returning back to the upside after reaching up to this level. Now I'm showing you here. Now you can see clearly the market is returning back from the 78% level, and it has given a huge bullish candles. Now what we have to see here, now we have two options here. Either the market can return back for the sell side after filling these fair value gaps, first fair value gap and again this second fair value gap. Oh, Charisu, good evening. How are you? We had a scalping trade here. Now showing you how could we take the scalp rate and how could we know that market wants to return back to the upside. Now here we have to read some volumes and RSI indicator. Now I am showing you here the evidences. Now you are looking that market is coming and making the lower lows and lower highs, and the RSI has not touched this 30 band line. If it market had to go for further sell side, it had to create oversold position. Whenever market has to go to the sell side, it has to create or close the black lines under this 30 band level, but it has rejected the black line has been rejected by the price, and RSI has shown some bullish pressure here. It means the ignorance of more selling at this level. RSI told. Now what the volumes are telling. Now I am showing you here the volume reading tricks. Now you can see here the market is coming to the sell side, but the selling volumes are also giving us a divergence. Divergence means opposition of the sell trend, decreasing of interest in these selling candles. Now you can see here in this candle the high volume has appeared. After that we have to wait for these two selling candles which are closed under this green candle body, and the selling volume is again decreasing. Decreasing means selling interest is not much here. After that these two candles have broken the previous small first structure with low volumes. According to the VSA, when any strong or momentum candle which breaks the previous structure with low volume, that is the perfect and real break of structure, and it is the sign of bullishness. Now you can see here the market has created a small support level here after filling this fair value gap, and market has started its buying from this level. Now you can see here, and RSI pink line. Whenever you see the RSI pink line comes under the black line, we have to find the buy trades. And whenever this pink line is above the black line, we have to find the sell trend. From this candle closing, look at here, there is a pink line which is over the black line. It is a perfect sell. After the closing of this selling candle, we have to sit here, and our target would be up to these levels. Are you understanding the RSI and volume, Jerisu? You have been continue in my live, and I am teaching here about the RSI and volumes. If you are understanding, then comment here, as I can realize, I can be happy that anyone is learning from my teachings. Yes, well, very good. Does these do these two indicators, volume and RSI, work well in the market or not? How are you looking them? Great, great. And are you practicing it? How many trades have you taken according to the RSI and volume? Now see here, the market has created some impulsive candles here, and this is the fair value gap in this impulsive candle. Now market is coming to give some pullback. Now if the market has to move to the upside again, it can reject from this fair value gap, and there is another fair value gap and a deep order block level. Now you can see here the market has shifted its structure in the RSI to the 50 band level. 50, 70 or above. Whenever we see the black line is above 50 or 70 or above, that is a bullish trend. Now market is showing some bullishness. Let's see what happens here. This is just 1 minute time frame. Now let's see what is happening in the bigger time frame. Now this is 15 minutes time frame. Now you can see here a high bullish volume in this candle. Now I'm showing you the power of this high volume candle. This high volume candle has broken the previous structure, and it has completed the main change of character. Now you can see here the heavy bullishness in this candle. This is the 15 minutes time frame. Now I am showing you the power of this base candle. According to my candle closing technique, I am showing you the power of this base candle. This is the smart money candle. I have drawn a rectangle. Now you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 candles which are uh, in circle in this candle. These are rounding, these are creating some sideway market liquidity or some consolidation in this bullish candle. Whenever any range is created, it is created in any powerful candle. This is bullish powerful candle, and this candle is not letting any sell candle to move to downside. Now when we will see the sell, whenever any selling candle will break its body with its last weak position, its lowest point, then we have to see the sell trend. And according to the RSI window, it is a little bit hinting about the selling, because the market has been rejected at this level. Market tried to push to the above side, but these 3 candles are trying to move the trend to the sell side. And current candle is also trying to move upside, but it is unable to move to the upside. Now we have to wait here to close this candle or make any other selling candles. There is only 1 minute and 39 seconds remaining in this candle closing. Now this is the base candle. Yeah, trapping buyers here. Now let's see what is happening in 1 hour and 13 minutes. This is 30 minutes chart. A heavy selling candle has been closed. Now let's see what happens. What about in 1 hour candle? It's also a selling candle, but it seems little bit weak candle. Let's see what happens. One minute, 5 minutes. This is the same box which I had plotted in 15 minutes. This is the box of this base candle. 15 minutes ultra high volume base candle. The current market is on the special resistance level. I am showing you here. This is 1 hour chart, and market is at the perfect resistance level, and market can go to the downside, but let's see what happens. Let's move to the 4 hour time. According to the 4 hour time, the market seems little bit bullish. And what is happening in daily candle? Daily candle is also a bullish candle, and the previous day's candle was also a bullish candle. So it is expected that market can move to the upside. And this is a Saturday today, and the market is giving some little movements, not much powerful movements as it gives from Monday to Friday. So wait would be the better option to catch any sell or buy trades. there was a wick rejection and seller pressure from the upside. That's why this selling candle is coming to the downside. If the market has to go to the sell side, it has to break this green candle. This is the bullish candle, otherwise it can move up. In 15 minutes time frame, or sorry, in 5 minutes time frame, the market is rejecting after filling this fair value gap, and this is a very powerful candle, this bullish candle. In such condition, in this position, we have to wait. If we are a scalper, then we can scalp, otherwise we will lose our money. To look for the long trades, we have to wait the prices to break to any side, either to the upside or to the sell side. Till that we must wait. Now here a little sign of bearishness I am showing you here in 5 minutes time frame. When the market reached here, the RSI shifted its range structure little bit to the 30 band level. It means under the 50 level. Now this is the point, this is 47 point. It means some seller pressure is generating here. After the retracement, market is again trying to break this 50 level again. Now these are the signs which the RSI creates in advance. That's why this selling is coming, and the pink line is above this black line. This is the bullish sign. This is pink line, means this is the moving average line, 21 moving average line. I am showing you the setting here. This is SMA, simple moving average line, and its length is 14. It also works very well. I have tested it and I have observed it, and has got so many amazing trades according to this pink line. What is happening in 1 minute time frame? 1 minute time frame has also the bearish signs, and the pink line in 1 minute is also over the black line. Yeah, RSI is very helpful indicator, and volume too. Now you can see here clearly the volume, selling volumes are bigger than the buyer's volume. Now look at these volumes too with the RSI. These both indicators are very amazing. Yeah, in 1 minute time frame the bias is bearish. Now I'm giving you a hint here. Whenever you see any bullish candle which has the wick rejection from the top, you can take a risk of the selling. This was the hint at the resistance level. You can see here at wick from the top, you you could take the risk of selling from this level up to this order block or fair value gap level. These top wick rejections give the sell from the top, and bottom wick rejection give the buy from the bottom. Now you can see here top rejection, it has given a sell. Bottom wick rejection, look here, bottom wick rejection, it has given a sell. These are the wicks from the bottom side. You can see here the buyers are pushing the prices to the upside. Here the sellers are pushing the prices to the sell side. Here the sellers are available, and here the buyers are available. At the support, always we see the buyers. At the resistance level, there are always sellers available, and they are always fighting. The sellers drop the prices to the downside, and buyers push the prices to the upside. This is the market, and this is the reality which we have to understand. The behavior of the candles. Now you can see the market is trying to break this order block level. Now let's see what happens. Amazingly, market is coming. Buyers seems strong, but we have to far this level. Now this is the fair value gap and order block level. If the market does not break this level, can go up from this fair value gap and order block level. Now we have to wait for this order block and fair value gap. So let's see what happens. Bigger time was showing some bullishness, but whenever market creates change of character, it has to come for retracement, which is coming. The retracement is coming. So according to 15 minutes time frame, it is also bearish. 30 minutes is also bearish. 1 hour time frame is also bearish. 4 hour time frame is also becoming bearish, but the closing of this 4 hour candle, there are 1 hour and 5 minutes remaining in this candle, but according to 1 hour time frame, it has to come for some retracement. Now where the market could come, we are plotting the Fibonacci retracement. Now this is the golden ratio, 50 to 61%, and here is also a hidden order block. This is the hidden order block. I am showing you in 30 minutes time frame. It will be the red candle here. Let me to move to the 30 minutes time frame, and currently we are seeing this 1 hour time frame. Let's move to the 30 minutes time frame. Now you can see here there was a red candle available at this point, where at the 61% level, which was not showing in 1 hour time frame. You can see here, this is called hidden order block. Now market can reach up to 105 and 145 level, and if it comes to the more deep side, it there is a fair value gap available at this position. Yeah, wait would be the better option to be liquidated. If we want to be safe from the liquidation, we have to wait. 9 people are watching, but no anyone is liking my stream. Like the stream, subscribe my channel. There is a 1 and 21 minute 26 minute 26 seconds to close this 15 minutes candle. Let's see what kind of behavior it shows. I had already told you that this is a best candle. This is a smart money buyer's candle, and there is an ultra high volume available in this candle. This will not let any selling candle easily to the sell side. Let's see what happens. This is a smart money bullish candle. Yeah, I'm glad that you are learning. Great, great. Mr. Cherisu, where do you come from? It means where are you living? Mm, closing of the body is a little bit lower than the previous candle. It means it's a little bit weaker. I could not understand what are you talking about. Charlie Ming to oh Charlie. Oh, my live student. Okay. Philippines. No, that's not binary. This is forex trading. Mr. Mr. Cheris, you kindly rename your actual name Charlie in WhatsApp. Okay, as you have written in WhatsApp Charlie, here it is showing Cherisu. That's why I was confused. Yeah, it's a crypto trading, but we can also do the crypto trading in forex, not only in the Binance or any other exchange. We also can perform and can take the trades in MetaTrader 5 or 4 as we trade the gold, GBP USD and other uh, instruments and other currency pairs. I was not confusing at WhatsApp, I was confusing here in live stream. Cherisu, I was confusing here. Yes, this is bullish engulfing. And RSI has also made some bullish divergence. When this engulfing candle was closed after its retracement, we can take the buy. But this is totally the consolidation. We can be liquidated here. If we sit here in a buy, market can come again to the sell side after filling this fair value gap. You can see here market can come again. This is the market. What can we do? If we are a scalper, we can take little profits, but we have to see some long positions which run some hours or some days. That will be beneficial for us. Otherwise this scalping will destroy us, and this scalping can eat our amount, our valuable account, so we should avoid. Now see, the market is returning back. Very dangerous market according to the scalping. Let's see what has the moment Bitcoin given. Market has been the bullish since last day, from the Friday. It was Asian session. Since the Asian session yesterday, the market is in a bullish trend. This is the 4-hour chart. Now let's see 1 hour chart, I am showing you very bullish movement. Look at this candle. This was closed at 2 a.m. yesterday and Friday late night, and market is continuously in a bullish trend, and it has given a big movement. And according to the structure, market has created a break of structure to the sell side. Now it can come again to the downside. According to the 1 hour structure level, it is the bearish trend until and unless the market does not close this higher high. We are seller according to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, we are waiting to close this 15 minutes box which I told here. We are waiting to close this box or to break this box to any side. Until we have to wait, because this is the consolidation area. Market can consolidate so many minutes or hours, so this is not a perfect time to take any trade. This is 1 hour time frame. What kind of movements the market has given, and by looking the RSI, how could we take this buy and sell? Now I am showing you here the oversold. What is an oversold position? When it happens in RSI window, now you can see here, I am cleaning my chart as you can understand well. Now you can see here, when first time market creates an oversold position. Oversold position is made when the black line goes under the 30 band level, under the 30 band level. When it reaches at 26 point, 4 points smaller than the 30 at this point. Whenever we see such type of point oversold position, we have to see more sell, but not at that time, but we have to wait for its retracement. Retracement hint was also given by the RSI. Oversold, it means be prepared for future sell, and here it's giving the bullish divergence. Market has created lower low, but here the RSI has created higher high, higher low. It means this position is down, and in the RSI it is hinting and giving the hint about the bullishness. For what? For its retracement up to this order block and fair value gap level. Whenever we sit here after looking this bullish divergence, we have to take profit at this order block level, and from this order block level we have to continue our sell, because at this position market was retracing, but the RSI was not able to move more to the 70 band level, and it is returning back at the position of 50 band. Now here you can see the market has given more sell, and at this point it has created another oversold position. It means more sell is coming after the retracement. After the retracement, when market reached here, after the 2 hours retracement, it gave again sell, and here another oversold position. Oversold position means we have to see more sell. Now look, after its retracement we got another sell. Now here it did not reach under this 30 level, but it is giving a sell. Now how to see this sell? Because there is a fair value gap level. Market reached over there, filled this fair value gap, and again gave the sell. Now it is little bit moved under the 30 level. This is also a oversold position after its retracement. Now sometimes market does not move to fully to fill this fair value gap. It touches the breaker block too. This is the breaker block or previous resistance, which is becoming previous support, which is becoming now resistance. Market reached, and again it has given a sell. After these oversold, we can see so many selling opportunities. Now you can see here what is the RSI doing here. Price is coming slowly making higher highs, and the RSI is preparing here for the buy, and it is creating a divergence. It was also giving a sell after these oversold positions, but slowly and gradually it is making a divergence. Look what kind of divergence. It is the bullish divergence. Now you can see from this level to this level, market was creating lower lows and lower highs, but the RSI was slowly and gradually making some high points. This by catching to this buy, we had to wait for making this divergence, and we were able to catch these sell movements. And after the end of this bullish divergence creation, we are able here to catch this buy trend up to this level. Now how we could know that market can reach up to this level? Now I am showing you. Here we have to plot Fibonacci retracement, where from the market gave the drop and where from it will again give us a sell. Now see, this is the perfect 61% level, where from the market has rejected and gave us a sell. This is the trading. In this way we have to see the opportunities in this market. When we see the opportunities and we are using the perfect tools, which are the Fibonacci retracement tool, simple tool, Fibonacci retracement, and volume indicator, RSI indicator, and this is the simple smart money concepts LuxAlgo indicator, which is used to automatically create these order block levels, and it automatically writes the change of characters, break of structures, and it also indicates and show us the fair value gaps level, and so many other points it gives us automatically. We have not any need to draw them manually. And here I show you uh, another hint of volume, that this is a high volume bullish candle. It means market was going to the selling, but the smart money was buying here. After that, you can see the result. Now let's see what is happening in the 15 minutes time frame. Now you can see the market is trying to break this high volume candle level. I think it will break it. If this high volume candle is broken to the downside, we can see more sell. Let's see what happens. Otherwise, my market can move from its bottom level. Market reached after this 5 minutes order block and is trying to move up, but we have to see the evidence here. The RSI be go should shift its structure above this 50 band, and this pink line must be under this black line. Then we will see the buy, otherwise it is sell. Now this is my personal made pink line. This is original pink line. Don't feel it as actual pink line. This is artificial line. This is original line. I am showing you that market must do this such type of movement here if the market has to move to the upside. Now let's see what happens. This is also an artificial black line. Maybe fake out. Let's see. Look, Mr. Charlie, whenever price reaches at any resistance or support level, it creates a range, and smart money makes some decisions here where to move the prices, what to do here. I am showing you some example of bullishness. Now see here, there was also an order block. You can see here, this was also a support level. Here the market has created huge range. You can see here in this order block level, this was also an order block level. Market had created so many ranging candles. After that, it decided to move to the upside. So market is also ranging and giving some fake movements. Look, it is creating some big bullish candles and some selling candles. This is the trap market is doing here. This is the trap of the market. This is the trap of the smart money, which is throwing for us. Now in 5 minutes time frame, that was a great bearish divergence. Now you can see here market has given this sell according to the bearish, regular bearish divergence up to this level. Always see and find such type of divergences when these are created. We have to take them in a glance to catch these amazing movements. In which time frame you are asking? The RSI did not reach 70 bands. In which time frame? In 1 minute it has shifted the prices above the 50 band. Now you can see here it has shifted the prices above the 50 band, but the bullishness will come whenever the prices will break this 70 band. $15. No, according to 15 minutes the prices in RSI are moving at the 54 level, which is the selling evidence. Now let's see what is happening. In 1 hour it is in 62 band. Let me to check. Yeah, it is showing the bullishness. Look at the RSI window. RSI is making bullish divergence. Now let's see, count the candles. How many candles are there in it? I think the candles are showing I think more than 50 candles. Let's see. Oh, the candles are 51 candles, which have created this bullish divergence. These are 51 candles. weekly candle is very weak according to the selling side. Whole the week has passed, but the prices did not move to the sell side. The prices tried to move to the sell side, but the buyers pushed them to the upside. But what has uh, happened here? This selling candle has grabbed the previous week's liquidity, buyers' liquidity. When the buyers were introducing here to take the buy orders, this week's, which is currently running, taking the liquidity of the 3 weeks buy side liquidity. You can see clearly. Now I'm showing you to moving to the little time frame. Let me to place a trend line here. This is the liquidity. Okay, visibility to the all times. Now I'm showing you to moving to the smaller time frames. This is the daily. Now see here, buyers stop losses were present there. Now you can see clearly market has taken according to the daily time frame. Now we are moving to the 4-hour time frame. See here, there was also liquidity available, and this selling movement has taken all the liquidity according to 4-hour time frame. See here, according to the 1-hour time frame, there was also visible liquidity. This selling movement has taken all the stop losses of the buyers and is trying to move up. Here is also liquidity available, buyers liquidity. Now there is a question how to be safe from this liquidity. We want to be safe from the liquidity when we sit in a buy trend. If suppose we are sitting here in a buy trend, then we have to close our positions according to the very next market structure level. When we are sitting here, we saw a bullish trend has been started and we saw the bullish divergence. We have to close our targets, profits at this structure level. Then we will be safe to be liquidated. Otherwise, our stop losses will be hit by this selling candle. To save from the liquidation, we have to take our profits up to the previous structure levels. Sit here in a buy and take the profit at this position, and sit in a sell, put your profits, book your profits at any fair value gap levels. This is the trading.